Hey y'all, happy Saturday. So today your girl is about to head out and go to a few different stores. I think I'm gonna go to an outlet and then I'm gonna go to just a couple more different stores because I'm going to Miami in like 2 weeks and I literally have nothing. I've ordered a few different things online. I'm gonna finish doing that today too. I want to finish online shopping to make sure that my stuff arrives in time. But yeah, happy Saturday y'all. I'm starting the vlog off. I'm feeling good about today. Hopefully I find some good stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna pick y'all back up when I am headed out the door or when I'm at the store. I don't really know, but if you're new and this is your first time catching me, I hope you consider subscribing. Those of you that have subscribed and are returning viewers, thank you so much for watching another video. Hey y'all, so I'm checking back in y'all. I know when I started this vlog I told y'all that I wanted to go to a few different stores because I'm looking for stuff for my Miami trip. Can I get it out? I'm looking for stuff for my Miami trip, but y'all, I literally went to one store and that was Nike and I didn't even get anything for myself. So after that I came home, I ate, and I literally went to sleep, and I'm just now getting back up. My sister called me and she wants to go to restaurant 13, I believe. I low-key think this is James Harden's restaurant. I'm not really sure, but I think it is. So we're gonna go there, pick up something to eat tonight, and then I'll be back home. I know in the beginning of the clip I think I said I wanted to finish online shopping because I have got a few different pieces, but literally that's it. And since I didn't get anything today, I really need to get on because time is ticking. So I want to make sure my stuff is able to arrive in time. So I'm probably going to end the night by just doing some online shopping, and that's it. This very well may be a boring vlog because I literally started it today and nothing really eventful happening. I don't know if I'm doing anything tomorrow, but I mean, it is what it is. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish getting ready. I'm just touching up my makeup, and then I'll go ahead and show y'all my outfit, and then I'm going to be out the door.
One week later.
Hey y'all, happy what's today's day? Thursday. Hey, it is Friday. Hey y'all, happy Friday. Star, say hey.
Girl, it's not Friday.
It is Friday.
It's not Friday.
Star, it is Friday. Go to the calendar. I'm about to say it was Thursday. My girl, it's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. Oh y'all, it's Friday, and what?
Girl, I'm about to say, how you put the things on here, on there, not on here?
No, on what?
No, I had thought you put it on there because I smelled it.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, it's Friday and we are just chilling inside. I don't know why it got dark that fast.
In the penthouse.
But we y'all, we just chilling. We don't have pretty much anything to do tonight.
Let's get ready to rumble! Come on, Mariah, let's take a shot.
Oh, okay, y'all. It has been this thing going around on TikTok on how to take a shot and not taste it.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm gonna try it. So what you do is breathe out, take the shot, breathe out again. So okay, let's try it. You taste it. I taste it. So
I knew you did.
I think maybe you're supposed to breathe in.
You know, you got the TikTok?
Okay, say hey.
Hey y'all, we blending in. We finna go into the woods.
Come on. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. I can't even tell y'all the last time I picked up the camera. I want to say it was last weekend when my friends came over and we were just chilling. But yeah, so this vlog is going to be all over the place. But today is Saturday and I'm pretty sure I told y'all in this vlog that I'm going to Miami. So I've done a lot of online shopping because the stores around me just haven't had anything. But I'm gonna go ahead and go to the mall one last time to see if I find anything that I can take for my trip. And then I'm probably gonna get lunch after that, and then I'm probably gonna end this vlog because I haven't posted in like 2 weeks because I really haven't had anything to post. So I'm probably gonna close this vlog out. For one, like I said, I haven't posted anything, and for two, this vlog is all over the place. I don't even know what's in this vlog as I'm sitting here now thinking about it. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Go out to eat. I mean, girl, I'm always worried about food. I'm gonna go see if I can find anything for my trip, and then I'm probably gonna go eat lunch, and then like I said, I'm gonna close this vlog out. So I guess I'll see y'all at the mall.